What if you could get broadcast quality wireless audio for under $100 and the whole system fits in your pocket? That used to sound like a joke. Now, DJI is making it a reality with the Mic Mini 2, and honestly, it's turning a lot of heads in the creator space. This isn't some random, cheap lav mic thrown together to hit a price point. It's a complete wireless audio system. Colorful, compact, and loaded with features that used to cost you way more. In this video, we're covering everything. The design, the sound quality, battery life, range, and who this mic actually makes sense for. And by the end, you'll know exactly whether this is the right pick for your setup or if you should be looking elsewhere. Let's get into it. Right out of the box, the Mic Mini 2 comes in two versions, a camera kit with 3.5mm output and a mobile kit with USB-C. Both include the charging case, transmitters, receiver, mounts, and windscreens, which is a solid bundle for the price. The fun new addition is the color system. The camera kit includes 10 magnetic front covers in bright retro shades, letting you color code speakers or match your setup. Just note, the DJI logo is quite visible, so you might want to cover it for a cleaner look. The transmitters are slightly flatter, and everything snaps neatly into the magnetic charging case. It's compact, practical, and well-designed. Battery life is one of the strongest selling points here, and the numbers are hard to argue with. Each transmitter is rated for 11.5 hours on a single charge, and the receiver holds up for around 10.5 hours with noise cancellation off. For context, the Rode Wireless Go 3, which costs about double the price, is only rated for 7 hours. The Mic Mini 2 just outlasts it straight up. On top of that, the charging case gives you up to 48 hours of combined use before you need a wall outlet, which means you can head out for a full day shoot or two without stressing about power. Range-wise, DJI claims up to 450 yards of wireless distance, which is seriously impressive at this price. Real-world performance will always depend on your environment, but even in more typical shooting conditions, you're getting way more headroom than you actually need. This mic is built to keep up with long shooting days without slowing you down. Let's talk sound, because that's what actually matters. The Mic Mini 2 records at 48 kHz 24-bit, which is solid audio quality for a mic at this price. The big new addition is 3 voice tone presets. Regular gives you a clean, neutral sound. That's great if you like doing your own EQ in post. Bright adds some clarity and presence, which helps cut through in louder environments. And Rich boosts the low end, the kind of warm, full sound that usually takes some post-processing to achieve. But here, you can dial it in right on the mic. That's a genuinely useful feature for creators who want good audio without spending time color grading their sound. On the noise cancellation side, DJI includes 2 levels of AI-powered reduction. The low setting handles moderate background noise well, though it can introduce a bit of artifact. The high setting is more aggressive. It's there for extreme situations, but it does affect audio quality noticeably, so it's more of an emergency tool than an everyday one. Worth knowing, the Mic Mini 2 doesn't have 32-bit float recording or internal storage like the higher-end Mic 3, so it's not the right pick if you need a safety net on critical recordings. But for most content creators, the audio quality is more than good enough. So who is the DJI Mic Mini 2 actually for? If you're buying your first wireless mic and want great value, this is one of the easiest picks right now. Solid audio, strong battery, and super simple setup. If you already have the original, the upgrade isn't essential. And if you need advanced features like 32-bit float or onboard recording, the Mic 3 is the better option. But for the price, the Mic Mini 2 is hard to beat, especially against pricier alternatives. Just note, it's not yet certified for sale in the US. So, are you picking it up or waiting? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.